In this video, you are going to see how to make QR code in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. To make the QR code, we need to activate the Developer tab. If you don't have, go to File, go to Option, go to Customize Ribbon and check on the Developer option and hit OK, then it will be activated. Then click on the Developer, go to Add-ins, go to Store and write here QR for Office and search here, then add this add-in in Microsoft Word. So here is the preview of QR for Office. Let us write your website address. Let us write here youtube.com. You can change the QR code color from here. You can change the background color from here. Let us choose white color and let us choose the black color. You can increase or decrease the size of the QR code. Let us increase it like this and click on insert. Then the QR code will be generated and inserted in Microsoft Word. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.